Think your action camera footage looks good? It could look way better. The secret? The lock on DJI Action 5 Pro. More detail, better colors, and a truly cinematic look. No more dull skies, scratched shadows, or overexposed highlights. Just pure professional quality footage, ready for epic color grading. And if you shot in 120 FPS slow motion, every frame looks stunning. Want to see the difference? Stick around, because this will change the way you film. Enabling D-Lock on the DJI Action 5 Pro is simple. Just tap on color mode and select D-Lock 10-bit. You'll also find other modes like H-Lock 10-bit, normal 10-bit and normal 8-bit. In D-Lock you can enable a color preview to see how your footage will look after grading. You might also want to check out image adjustment and fine-tune texture levels and reduce noise.
Hi guys, this is a D-Lock. I'm running, it's still dawn, 10 minutes before sunrise. It's a grey, cloudy, misty, no sun, no blue sky. Well, actually the brightest color is on me. And I think that's the regular weather if you're living in the northern hemisphere of the planet during the winter. I'm running in 4K 50 FPS. This is the best recommended frame per second recommended for action. And guys, I'm sorry for my look today. 2 degrees Celsius, a bit raining. Well, it's better to protect heads against the wind. The camera is set now to the rock steady mode. In this video I will show you different techniques how you can grade colors on your video shot with DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro in D-Lock M. I'm running now up on this hill. It's a fog, you might not see it. The humidity level now is 98%. If it's difficult for me to talk, please understand me. I'm running approximately 13 kilometers an hour. I'm preparing for the half marathon. Just for comparison, this is D-Lock M 4K 50 FPS and the colors are graded versus colors are ungraded. This is H-Lock 10-bit regular video mode. Switching now to normal 10-bit mode, regular video mode, 4K 50 FPS. And going now to super night mode, also 4K 50 FPS. Let me know which colors do you think the best fit for such a low light conditions.
D-Lock on DJI Action 5 Pro gives you maximum dynamic range. It preserves more details in highlights and shadows. This means better flexibility in post-production. You can fine-tune colors, contrast and exposure.
Still up.
The result is a more cinematic look. Unlike standard profiles, D-Lock prevents color clipping.
Okay, I'm on the hill.
Keeps natural tones for professional grade editing. Your footage will have richer colors and more depth. It requires color grading, but the results are worth it.
I will be running now down the hill, so a little bit faster. So let's see how stabilization worked. By the way, for some reason the pressure sensor didn't work. I mean, after I started recording while running uphill, it's still showing 0 meters.
More control, more dynamic footage, a truly stunning final image. Skin tones look more natural and realistic. It also reduces noise in low light shots.
What's my feeling in general about this camera? I appreciate DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro at the day when it was presented. And a couple of days after that, I took it to my diving trip. This camera survived pretty much everything. I took it even deeper than 20 meters. The whole thing is simplicity, robustness, durability. I love everything about this camera. I recently purchased Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You can see this video there now. Let me know what you think about those cameras. Today is pretty not cold, it's just 2 degrees Celsius compared to previous days when it was -6. But it was raining tonight, so my feet are almost wet now.
More detail, less compression, better results. With proper grading, your footage will stand out.
There are tons of tech reviews that are reviewing D-Lock or low light mode while filming in the city center with beautiful street lights. And they're just showing the camera is good. Well, any camera will be good. You try to get this camera in the field when the weather is gray, misty, foggy, when your feet are wet, because that's what the action camera is for.
D-Lock is also perfect for bad weather filming. Cloudy skies often look dull and lifeless, but with D-Lock you keep details in the shadows and highlights. Colors won't look flat or washed out. Running through mud? No problem. D-Lock captures rich textures in dirt and water splashes. Motion stays smooth even in tough conditions.
Okay, so this is D-Lock M in 4K 120 FPS. Let's have a bit of action now.
The lock and 120 FPS make the perfect slow motion combo. Shooting in 120 FPS captures every detail in smooth motion. Water splashes, dust and fast action look crisp and fluid. The lock keeps the dynamic range high. No crushed shadows or blown out highlights. Slow motion looks even more cinematic with deep contrast.
One more cool feature about this camera is that it has magnets, and you can just place your camera on any metallic surface and it will stick. Like I'm doing now. You see, it's a ringed surface of the bridge.
The cool thing is that you have a magnetic holder on the DJI Action 5 Pro, and you can just literally attach it like this. As you can see, it holds well. And if you use the DJI Mic Mini or Mini 2, then you can just easily attach it here. So the great thing is that this extra frame, protection frame that on the Action 5 Pro has magnets on its side. If you remove it, then you can also attach the camera like this.
This magnet on the DJI Action 5 Pro is really cool. You can attach your camera to your car, even if you want, to film a slow ride on your car. You don't need to have like any special stickers. Up to 10, maybe 20 kilometers an hour, it will hold the magnet. So guys, just let me know, what do you think about D-Lock M for DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro? Will you use it? Have you been trying to grade the colors already or not yet? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.